Let's begin by looking down here at number 1. And let's see how many orange totals we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 totals. What number will we write if we trace this down here? We will write the number 8. Why are we writing the number 8? We're writing the number 8 because we have 8 totals. So the way we make an 8 is we make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. And I know mine looks a little bit funny. My mouse wasn't letting me write very good. Watch again. We make an S and then come back up. That is how we make an 8. One more time. We make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. Go ahead and work on your 8s, and then we'll go to the next one. Look at number 2. Let's count the green totals. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many totals are there? There are 9 totals. What number is this down here? It is the number 9. Why are we writing the number 9? We're writing the number 9 because there are 9 totals. So the way we write the number 9 is we make a magic C, up and down with a big line. That is how we make a 9. Magic C and down with a line. That's how we make a 9. A magic C and down with a line. That is how we make a 9. Good job. Go ahead and finish your 9 and then we'll go on to number 3. For number 3, let's see how many gold totals we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here we don't have the number to trace. We have to figure out what number to write. And we need to start at the dot to write it. So if we have 8 totals, what number will we write? We will write number 8. Remember number 8, you make an S and come back straight. That is how you make an 8. And try it again. Start on your dot. And just like you're making an uppercase S. And then come back straight. That is how you make an 8. One more time. Make an S and come back straight. That is how you make an 8. Very good. Finish your 8. And I'm going to erase this so we can go to the next page. Remember, you can pause the video anytime you need to catch up. Okay, on this page, we are going to do the same thing. We're going to count, and then we're going to write our number. Let's count the bones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many bones do we have? We have 8 bones. So what number are we going to write over here? We're going to write the number 8. Do you remember how to write it? You make an S and come back straight. That is how you make an 8. Try it again. Make an S and come back straight. That is how you make an 8. One more time. Make an S and come back straight. That is how you make an 8. Good job, kindergarten. We're going to go on to number 5, so if you have to pause the video, go ahead. Okay, we are going to count for number 5. We are going to count the starfish. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 starfish. So what number are we going to write over here? We're going to write the number 9. Remember, start at the dot. It's a magic C. Back up. Big line. That is how we write a 9. A magic C. Back up. Down with a big line. That is how we write a 9. One more time. Magic C. Back up. Down with a line. That is how we write a 9. Nice work. Look at number 6. We are going to count the seahorses here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seahorses. Now look, they didn't give us a dot over here to start our number on. So we have to kind of remember that we start our numbers right below this top line, right below the ceiling. And what number are we writing? We are writing an 8. Do you remember how we say to make an 8? You make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. Try it again. Make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. One more time. Make an S and come back straight. That is how we make an 8. Nice job. We only have one more to do on this page. Let's look at number 7. These are dolphins. Let's count the dolphins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many dolphins do we have? We have 9 dolphins. Good job. Okay, remember how to make a 9? Magic C. Back up. Big line down. That is how we make a 9. Ready? Magic C. Back up. Down with a big line. That is how we make a 9. One more time. Magic C. Back up. Down with a line. That is how we make a 9. And look at that. My mouse got away from me a little bit. So I am going to erase this 9. And I'm going to redo it. Magic C. Back up. Big down with a big line. That is how we make a 9. Okay, make sure you have this page finished. I'm getting ready to erase it. Go ahead and pause the video until you're finished, and then we can go on. Okay, on this page, it is the independent practice page. Do you remember what I told you independent practice means? It means I tell you what to do, and you try to do it by yourself. Ready? Here for number 8, you're going to count the lobsters and then practice writing the number of lobsters out here. So if there's 8 lobsters, you write an 8. If there's 9 lobsters, you write a 9. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Here for number 9, you count the number of clams. And once you get the clams counted, you write that number right out here. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video. For number 10, these sea creatures are all mixed up down here. We have to look at the octopus, and we have to count the number of octopus that we see down here. Then we look at this purple squid. Oh, we write the number of octopus right here. Then we look at the purple squid, and we count the number of purple squid, and we write it right here. Now this little creature, he is a shrimp. And so we are going to count the number of shrimp, and then we're going to write it right here. Go ahead and do that. Count the octopus and put that number here. Count the squid and put that number here. Count the shrimp and put that number there. Okay, how many lobsters did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have written an 8 out here. How many clams did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you should have written the number 9 out here. Now, number 10 was the tricky one. We had 3 different animals to count. So we're going to count the octopus first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we put the 9 in front of the octopus, not after it, because we're saying we have 9 octopus. We're not going to say we have octopus 9, do we? When we talk, we usually say the number first. So 9 octopus. Now let's count the squid. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put the 8 in front of the squid because we want to say we have 8 squid. The last ones to count are the shrimp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 shrimp. And I know I went through that checking really fast, but you should have already had your numbers written, and you were just checking to make sure you had the right ones. If you need to rewind the video and go back, you could do that. Otherwise, have a great day, and thank you for doing math with me.